Debbie and Ray in our audience want to know your plans for car insurance. Specifically, what would you do to lower rates?
Well, all right. This comes into a recognition of what the debate's been to date. First of all, no fault got instituted because a lot of people said we had too many claims going into the court system, was bogging it down. So let's just pretend that nobody's at fault and make sure we take care of everybody. Well, that hasn't worked. We actually have more claims in the court system now than we used to. It's just different types of claims. They're based on making sure people get their full health benefits. So the reason we haven't got any movement off dead center in the legislature is because it devolves into a debate between folks who want lower costs, which I'm definitely in that category, and folks that want lifetime benefits. So if you're injured and you got a traumatic brain injury, that's kind of a life-altering scenario that you want to make sure your insurance is taken care of. Well, I believe we should meet both of those requirements. And to date, it's always been seen as one or the other. I'm an engineer. I like to approach things from a different perspective. And if you take both of those as requirements, I started looking at how could you actually go off and satisfy both of those, sometimes treated as diametrically opposed requirements. And the secret is looking into my own insurance premium. When I looked at my own car insurance premium, it turned out 58% of my costs were due to state mandates. You eliminate the state mandates, which essentially means you go back to a tort-based system, you eliminate no fault as we know it, and then you repurpose the funds associated with the Michigan Catastrophic Fund, which is a challenge. You can reduce the rates of auto insurance by close to 60%, a minimum of 40%, but I think we can get to 60% while actually retaining lifetime benefits, because the interest on that Michigan Catastrophic Fund almost covers the disbursements coming out of it for benefit claims. And that way you wouldn't need that $192 per person MCCA surcharge you see on your current insurance claim. So we can get in a little bit more detail on how that is, but the biggest challenge to get to the full 60%, it involves the federal government, involves the treatment of those Michigan catastrophic funds, which is about a $20 billion corpus that's sitting there right now earning less than 2% interest on it.